kids, let's learn color names. Red color, orange color, green color, black color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, yellow color. A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. B for banana, B for banana. C for cow, C for cow. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for giraffe, G for giraffe. H for hat, H for hat. I for insect, I for insect. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for moon, M for moon. N for nest, N for nest. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rainbow, R for rainbow. S for sun, S for sun. T for tree, T for tree. U for universe, U for universe. V for violin, V for violin. W for window, W for window. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. आइए बच्चों रिवीजन करते हैं. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.